Are we heading toward another major war, or is this something we've seen before? Because if you step back, this doesn't feel new. Conflict, power struggles, cycles of rise and fall. They've always been part of human history. Empires have risen and collapsed. Wars have started, ended, and started again. And each time, it feels like the world is at a breaking point. But somehow, we repeat the pattern. So maybe the question isn't, why is this happening now? Maybe the question is, why does this keep happening at all? Because beneath strategy, beneath geopolitics, there's something deeply human. Ego, control, the refusal to let go. History has often been shaped by those who hold power the longest. And when change is resisted, pressure builds until something gives. Moments like COVID felt like a pause, a reset, but not for long, because systems tend to return to what they were built for. And so, we find ourselves here again, watching familiar patterns unfold. And maybe this isn't new at all. Power has always believed it would last forever. And on the pedestal, these words appear. My name is Ozymandias, King of Kings. Look on my works, ye mighties, and despair. Nothing beside remains.